Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your address on the Lyft app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lyft application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number and your verification code to log in. Once you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start entering your destination to book your Lyft. Now, if you wish to save your default addresses, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on View Profile. You will now see your profile page from which if you scroll down, then you will find the shortcuts option where you can add your home as well as work address. Just tap on any one of these options and simply enter your address and you can proceed forward, and now your home and work address will be set with just one click. You can also add various other addresses by tapping on Manage Shortcuts. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to save your addresses on the Lyft app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.